Hey everyone, welcome back. Already created your Trump account and need to log back in? Here's exactly how to log in step by step, takes about 20 seconds. Open the Trump account app on your iPhone. On the first screen, tap on login. Then enter the email address that you've used when you first created your account. Then tap next. On the password page, enter the password that you used to set up and tap login. The app may send a verification code to your registered email or phone number for added security. Go to your messages or inbox, find the code, come back, and then tap and enter it. After entering the correct code, you're fully logged in. And you'll see your account dashboard, including your activation status, once contributions open on July 4, your account balance, and investment activity. If you've not received your activation email yet, you may see a screen telling you to stay tuned since Treasury is rolling out account activations in waves rather than all at once. So all you've got to do is open the app, tap login, enter your email and password, enter the verification code, you're in. If you're waiting on activation, that's normal during the rollout and that's it. Subscribe.